Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video we are going to swatch the Essence Shine, Last and Go that we just picked up at some random drugstore, cosmetic store or something. Anyway, so this one is called Peach Please, Sunset Lover. So they're kind of nude, but kind of. Castles in the Sand, Don't Worry, Be Happy, and Good Times. So this is not necessarily like a nude, but kind of movie. But anyway, so we're gonna do 2 nails each. That way we will see how the colors really apply, because sometimes it's hard to see on one nail how the product goes on. All right, so the lightest peach color is Peach Please, and surprisingly it's a peach. Oh, that was not very funny. Right, so I already applied a base coat, the Essence base coat. I'll show you in a second. The brushes they seem to be good, but they're not actually that great. I find they're a little bit too thick when you're looking at them this way. So it's kind of hard to reach close to the skin without flooding it.
It seems a little watery.
So it's always easier and it looks better when the polishes are applied on the natural nail, because I find that when you're applying it over base coat, it kind of melts the base coat a little bit and it drags it a little bit, some of them. So this is a true test. All right, so the second one is Sunset Lover. It's kind of a darker peach.
Same consistency.
Yeah. It's not really, it's just kind of streaky.
Yeah. Well, it just seems like it seems a little watery to me. Like when I'm watching like the initial application. Sorry, I'm at a loss for words right now.
I see. Okay, so we'll see how the second coat looks. The third one is called Castles in the Sand. Sounds familiar. Have we ever swatched that?
No, it sounds like a song.
Yeah, I know about this too. Oh, this brush is wonky. Big sigh. This kind of, the texture reminds me of the OPI de Francie. What's the name? Oh my god, now I don't remember. Tickle My Francie. Kind of like a bit of a sheer. That at first you think it's going to apply bad, but it actually applies very well. But we'll see on the second coat. I mean, yeah, on the second coat. So far, I had high hopes for these polishes. Maybe they will redeem themselves. We'll see. This one is called Don't Worry.
Yeah, they all sound like songs, eh?
Yeah. This one is kind of sheer too. Weird.
Wow. I didn't expect that. I thought there was going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot more pigmented.
Okay, I have to admit, I gave it a bit of a shake and I think it's better. I thought it shook them.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Okay, so I gave this one a shake. So yeah, they don't fit in a shaker, so
Unfortunately. I mean, you could try, but I don't think it's
I
going
don't
to
want
go
to
very
have
well.
yeah, I don't want to have a nail polish on the ceiling.
Yeah, I have a sneaking suspicion that thing's going to skyrocket out of the shaker, and
Give us a design. Okay, this one has have the.
I was going to say poke someone's eye out.
That too. All right, that one has a very okay. We didn't give the name. This one is Good Times. Yes, Good Times.
Wow.
Okay, good application on this one. Just the brush is a little weird. Anyway, so we're gonna give the other ones a little shake, and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, they are shaken, not stirred.
Oh my god. That was not planned. Oh. Since we seem to be on a roll, what number am I thinking of?
7.
42.
Close. Because 4 and 2 is 6, so
Which is close to 7.
yeah. Okay, so this is dry, so this is really good. I would say this is very quick drying. I mean, pretty quick drying. So the second coat I did very kind of floating a little bit. Yeah, so it's not bad, right?
Yeah, it's not bad. I could see how there'd be some interest in these colors.
Just wish the brushes were better. Although for this price, I guess you can't complain too much.
Do you happen to recall what was paid for these ones?
I think these ones are like 250 or something euros. We also picked up other, what do you call it? Collection?
The 2021 Bargain Bin Collection.
Yeah, because we found it in a bargain bin for $1.99 or
$1.99, and we found about 7.
7. Yeah, of SE kind of nude colors.
Yeah.
So we're gonna swatch them very soon. If you guys know of them, probably not the bin collection, but
Yeah. I don't think Essence would appreciate that. However, it's just more of an identification of where we.
okay, the
pick them up
brush
from.
is bad. See, it's hard for me to kind of get like, look.
Yeah, it's fine.
This is so frustrating. All right.
Well, it looks okay though. Like the coverage isn't bad.
I know the coverage is good, but like it's hard to get a nice clean line at the cuticle. They are watery.
Yeah. I told you. Because you can see, like, when you initially lay it down, like, it wants to move.
I'm surprised, I have to say.
What, did I notice that?
You know, I have a feeling that if the brushes were better, the polish would go on better. Because very heavy pigmentation sometimes doesn't make things that much easier. I think the brushes are really making it that much more difficult. This one actually, it's kind of sheer, but it applies very nicely, this one. Okay, and the last one is Good
It's a nice
Times,
color,
right?
actually.
Yeah, I think you would wear it, no?
Yeah, I would actually.
Yeah.
And it's not very noticeable. It's very, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this one is fantastic.
Yeah.
Formula.
Yep. Agreed.
This is flawless. Very easy. Again, wonky brush. So I don't know what happened with these
Well,
ones.
if you were to give them a scale out of 10 for application, brush, like the whole experience, what would you give it? Like a 6?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd give it about a 6. But anyways, guys.
Yeah. Let us know what you think about
let us know
this
what
experience.
colors you like. Leave a comment down below and maybe your experiences with these colors.
Yeah, if you've tried them and yeah.
Yeah, and if you happen to be new to the channel, welcome. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notification button if you're interested to know when we have new videos dropping, which is usually 3 a week. Usually
3 we try 4, but usually 3.
Yeah. So
yeah. So thank you so much for watching this quick video, and we will see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
ciao.